How the fuck did a bird get in here? Oh my god, Chaos, no. Look at Chaos trying to find it. All of us, oh shit, it's on our bed.
Where'd it go?
It's over. Bird, come. Look. Look, Chaos wants it so bad. No, don't go in there. It just went in the ceiling.
Oh my god.
Oh, shoot. How the hell did a bird get in here?
I woke up this morning to take Suki out.
There it is. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, there it goes. How can we get it?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I know you want it. I know, man.
Gotta keep the door open, man, and Susie toward that way.
I yelled it earlier. I was like stuck here for like a good 10 minutes.
I
Like, there's a fucking bird in the house.
didn't even hear you. All of a sudden, we're sitting here, laying here, we hear something. Like, what the heck was that? And we're looking, all of a sudden, a bird flying. Oh my God, what to wake up to in the morning. It's just sitting, there it is. Oh, there it goes. It went outside.
Did it?
Yep.